Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy stir-fry chicken and vegetables. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of lean chicken breast, cut into 1-inch pieces, and around 4 cups of your favorite fresh vegetables. Think colorful options like broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas. Also, prepare a light sauce using low-sodium soy sauce, a touch of honey, and fresh grated ginger for a burst of flavor. This initial prep makes cooking a breeze. Now let's get that chicken perfectly cooked. Heat 1 tablespoon of a healthy oil, like avocado or sesame oil, in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add your 1-inch chicken pieces and stir-fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are beautifully browned and cooked through. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. This step ensures the chicken is tender and flavorful before adding the vegetables. Next, it's time for those vibrant vegetables. Add another 1 tablespoon of oil to your hot pan. Start with harder vegetables such as carrots or broccoli florets and stir-fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, incorporate softer vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, or spinach, cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. You want them crisp tender, not mushy. This layering ensures all your veggies are cooked to perfection, maintaining their texture and nutrients. Finally, let's bring it all together for a delicious meal. Return your cooked chicken to the pan with the stir-fried vegetables. Pour your prepared sauce evenly over everything. Toss gently for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to coat all the ingredients and heat through. Serve your healthy chicken and vegetable stir-fry immediately over brown rice or quinoa for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy your quick and nutritious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.